In this video, I am going to show you how to know if someone blocked you on Facebook. So first of all, open up your Facebook application. On your Facebook application, first of all, you need to know the difference between blocking and deactivating your account. So if someone has blocked you, only you will not be able to see their profile or text them. But if a person has deactivated their account, none of your followers or the people on Facebook application will be able to see their profile. But even if they see their profile, they won't be able to text him or see their post. So once you know the difference between blocking and deactivating, now let's start that how to know if someone blocked you on Facebook. So first of all, you have to tap on this search icon which is present at the top right side of your screen. Now from here, you have to search that specific person name in the Facebook search bar. If their profile doesn't show up at all, it is a strong indicator that that person has blocked you on Facebook. So if you want to double check, you can also log out of your account, then log into another account of yours or simply create one. Then you have to again search for that person, and if you are able to see their profile, then it is most likely that you are blocked. Second way through which you can identify whether someone has blocked you or not is that you can't see their post, comment or likes. So to check that, you have to make sure you're on the main interface or the home of your Facebook account. On here, you have to scroll down a bit and you won't be able to see any of their posts, comments or likes, especially if that specific person was previously active on Facebook, but right now you are no longer able to see any interactions from them. That's another red flag that you are blocked by that specific person. Last thing that you can do to know if you are blocked by someone is to ask another account to check for that specific person's account. So you have to log into a different account or ask a mutual friend of yours to search for their profile. If they can see it and you can't, then you are blocked. So everyone, this is how you can know if someone blocked you on Facebook. That's pretty much all for today's video. Consider subscribing to our channel for more informative videos in the future. Until then, stay safe.